Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to a lovely evening in Los Angeles. Tonight we're going to be doing something I am very excited about. A few weeks back, I saw my friend Kelly from Feral Art do a pour using all 5 of the Amsterdam Pearl colors as a base coat, and it was really, really beautiful. I think she did actually a few. She did one with a mini blower, and then she had one with that was all whites with the mask, and then she had one with the mask that was black with the pearls on it. It was really cool. So be sure to check out her channel on Feral Art, and I think it was Hidden Opal Pathways that was part of it, so check it out for sure. But we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing a wandering straight pour with all 5 of the Amsterdam Pearls, and maybe a split base coat, or I'm not sure, we'll see, but I think it's going to be really fun. So this is a 15 by 30 inch gallery wrap canvas. I have taped and pinned the back, and I have painted my sides and edges with one of my colors. Let me show you the colors. So the 2 colors we're using are both Blick. This one is Blick Metallic Teal that I've been having a mini love affair with for the last few weeks. Actually, I found it at Kelly's house. And I love this. Kind of very metallic cobalt blue, but not really pearly, which is really pretty. And then this one is the Metallic Purple, also from Blick. Really beautiful stuff. Okay, and now we have the Amsterdam Pearl. So they all look white, but I'm going to show you consistency. This one is the Pearl Blue. No, this is the purple. See, I labeled. That's the Pearl Purple. Leaving a mound on a mound. And sinking pretty quick. So we have purple, we have pearl red, we have pearl yellow, pearl blue, and pearl green. Okay, so for that size canvas, the 15 by 30, we need about 16.5 ounces of paint. We are going to layer a 16-ounce cup with all of these colors, and we're going to do a wandering straight pour across, and then we're going to tilt it up. So we're going to start with, let's see, I'm just going to start with the pearls. So we're going to put some pearl blue in there. And then some pearl green. This is going to be so weird. And then some pearl yellow. Ooh, I just saw a chunk of something. Okay. Now we're going to put a layer of our metallic teal in there. Not very, very big. Now we're going to put our pearl red. And the pearl purple. Pearl violet, sorry. Okay. Now I'm going to put a layer of the purple. The Blick purple, and we're going to do that again. And go to pearl blue, pearl green, pearl yellow, and I think I'm going to skip the color and just go right to the red, pearl red. And then the pearl violet.
Kind of rainbowy, huh?
The hidden rainbow. Okay. So we're going to put a runway down of the purple, the Blick Metallic Purple. Alright. So we're going to start over here. Alright. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love. Je suis prêt.
Here we go. We're going to stay pretty close because we want to make fingerlings, and what I really want is that sort of snake belly, underbelly look with the gradient in the center, so I think this is going to be good. Here we go. Giant lump right there. Oh, God. Alright, we're going to put some of this metallic blue on the sides. Let's take a look at this real quick. I love these fingerlings over here, and I love this part, and I love that part. I like this a lot also. This is kind of what I was hoping for, but I think that's probably going to get tilted off, and since I think that giant Floetrol booger fell right there, that's probably going to get tilted off. So we're probably going to keep this part, but that's okay because I really like this part a lot, so it's all right. All right, let's tilt this out. Start just sort of distributing the weight of the paint a little bit back and forth to stretch it out on both sides before we start going up and down. Okay, just going to take that over that edge. I'm just going to walk this down. First, bring it back, and down off the other corner. And we're going to just walk this down nice and slow to maintain the shape. Trying not to drip on our feet. Bring this back to the center. Let's see, do I want to anchor this? I think I do. So we're just going to go right to the edge right there and get that fingerling section to anchor over. Now, when we go back down, it's going to stretch it out and open it up. So we'll go off that corner. Aha. I see the booger now. Let's see. I'm going to take the edge of my stick and make some lines right through there. And kind of camouflage that a little bit. How's that, H? Really good?
Yeah.
We're going to do the same thing over here. Okay. That corner, is it bothering me? Where's the weight of the paint? I'm going to go with no, it's not bothering me because I don't want to bring the weight of the paint all the way back over to that corner. If I wanted to, I could put some more. Let's see, where's my cup? Just take what's left in the bottom of the cup. And I'm just going to go over that edge. Let some of that run off. I kind of hate that, but I will. It's alright. No, it's not alright. Just going to go this way a little. And that way. It's alright because it's going to stretch out this side up here, which I really like. Take that off. Cool looking. What do you think, HY?
Yeah.
What do we think of that bottom part down there?
I like it. I know you said something about
No, I don't dislike it.
sending it off, but I kind of like it.
Well, we got rid of a lot of it. This is what's left. I think I want to make one more line in through here, though. These are squiggly, but that's okay.
Enhancement. Enhancement.
God, this is so pretty. I like it. Okay. Wait. I want to open it a bit more.
Now when it dries, it's going to be more intense than that?
Well, when it dries, you're going to see all the pearls. The pearl red, the pearl blue, the pearl green, the violet. Okay. But I see another
Oh, it looks really cool.
thing. Ah, that's the big thing. So, confession time. I was mixing paint quickly and I didn't take the time to put a rubber band on my Floetrol bottle. And that's why we do that, so that we don't get those nasty Floetrol buggery things. And because I didn't do it, I got Floetrol boogers. So put your pantyhose on top of your Floetrol. Okay, so that's our final result. I like it. It's trying to go that way. All right, we're gonna take a little bit off of that corner.
I don't know why I feel compelled to tell you to run a golf ball through it.
No.
Just to see what would happen.
The answer is no. I love this like snake belly thing though. I think that's going to be awesome too with all the pearls in it when it dries. So, all right. Okay, so this was our 5 different Amsterdam Pearl colors with Blick, metallic turquoise or teal, and metallic purple. We did a wandering straight pour across, and we stretched out mostly center. We kept some of the fingerlings though, which are really, really pretty. I love this part. And right in here where you see the purple and the teal, kind of flamey. All right, so this is awesome. It won't be dry in time to show you, which will be tomorrow morning, but I will put it in the magic yurt and go in there with the flash, and we'll do some sparkle hunting in honor of Kelly, since she was inspirational for this piece anyhow. So, okay, thank you so much for being here with us tonight. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week, and we will see you on Wednesday evening for our Summer Nights premieres with the completely dried result, but I'll go do the sparkle stuff for you right now. We'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with our dried results from our Under the Orange tree, which this one was so much fun. I really love that background color of the base coat. This was the pearl yellow, and we just added just a couple of drops of Pebio's iridescent orange yellow to it. It came out so beautiful. Very warm, very soft, very peachy. Transparent too, because you can see underneath where the rest of the pour was. But these colors are amazing, that burnt orange and the Nicolazzo gold and the Naples yellow light. Really, really pretty stuff. A lot of people in the premiere said it reminded them of like a caramel sundae and very dessert-like, which I could totally see that now. But this one was a lot of fun. Somebody had asked me how I still had Nicolazzo Gold since it's been discontinued for a couple of years, and the answer to that is because I bought a lot of it when they announced they were discontinuing it, and I still have some. So, hoarding, sometimes it works out for you. Anyways, this was the Under the Orange tree and our Wandering Ring pour with our split cup, which came out really cool. Apparently there's a tree that's moving that's causing shadow on the bottom, but it's okay. But this one came out awesome. Okay, so here's a few minutes later after we finish cleaning up outside. We are in the magical yurt, which actually usually shows off the pearls pretty well, but this is freshly wet. So this is our wet results. This part is so pretty. I love that. Oh, I see some pearl yellow, I think. And maybe the pearl green. Really cool. Okay. All right. Well, I will show you guys when it's totally dry on Wednesday. Thank you so much for hanging out with us tonight. We will show you dried results for our Summer Nights premiere on Wednesday. And I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.